Here's a pair of JBL TUNE 510 BT headphones. I'm going to show you how to connect this via Bluetooth to your LG TV. So first thing is you need to go to the settings on your LG TV. Your remote may have a settings button. Mine is right here. So if I click on that, this pane here will pop up. Or if you don't have the settings button on there, just click on the home button on your remote. And then you can go to the settings there, the gear icon, and I'll just navigate that way. I'll just go up right there to the settings icon, click on OK on the remote, and again this pane on the right hand side appears. And from here you just want to go down, down, down. We want to go to sound out, okay? Currently mine says HDMI ARC. Yours probably says like internal speaker, but sound out. So we want to click on that, click on OK, and now we don't want HDMI ARC. Let's move over to the right. Oh, Bluetooth is what we want, okay? But you can see internal TV speaker, optical, HDMI ARC. Now, Bluetooth is the one that we want, okay? It's kind of grayed out. So from here, we want to go down to the one below where it says device selection right there. So go down, and that also turns pink. Then we're going to click on OK on the remote. Now, this here will pop up. Now, you see it's automatically searching, okay? So you have to go ahead and put your JBLs into pairing mode. And you can see mine here, and you have a power button right here, okay? So what you want to do is just press and hold this until the light starts blinking blue, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and press and hold. Just keep on holding and wait for it to blink blue. Okay, yellow, where's that blue at? Still holding here. Oh, there it is. It's blinking blue. Okay, it didn't find it because I probably didn't do it fast enough, so it's still in pairing mode. It's still blinking blue. Let me click on the search again, and let's see if it finds it here. Oh, there it is. JBL TUNE 510 BT. So I'm just going to go ahead and just click on that right down there. Okay, and voila. Okay, now it says the JBL is connected. Now here's the thing. If you guys weren't able to connect, you see now that I'm connected, it's a solid blue. So when you turn your headphones on and you try to pair it, maybe you didn't get the blue light. Maybe as soon as you turn it on, you get a solid blue light, or maybe you get like a solid white light. You don't get a blinking blue light. If that's the case, it's possible that there's an issue with the headphones, or maybe the headphones are trying to connect to a different device. And if that's the case, then just go ahead and perform a factory reset on these. And to do a factory reset, just look below in the description below and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, anyway, I'm ready to go. I can watch my Netflix or my YouTube videos right from my TV. Audio coming out from these bad boys. Good luck.